focus-promoting and relaxing cool gadgets that will help with your concentration. Are you looking for a simple way to boost your brain power, or that of your kids? If so, you're in luck. There are tons of gadgets on the market today designed to help improve your cognitive function, increase your focus, and much more. To help decide which one is right for you, today we will share 11 focus-promoting and relaxing cool gadgets that will help with your concentration. You definitely need a pen, paper, and a cup of hot coffee. It's going to be a tech-laden watch. But before we forget, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our excellent content. Like and share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our weekly uploads. Let's get it on! Number 1. Hypno Levitation Wand. To start us off is the fantastic Hypno Levitation Wand, a short-string light-up LED Levi wand toy. The Hypno Levitation Wand includes an easy-to-use remote control that you can use to change 100-plus color modes. The remote of this hypnosis gadget will also help you control the speeds at which the colors will flash and change, and the brightness. This relaxing gadget uses the best and the brightest LEDs, providing ultimate visibility from all sides and angles. With the Govee LED light strategically placed in a 13 to 14 alternating pattern, it's impossible to miss a second of these mesmerizing light trails, even during the day. This hypnosis gadget's translucent design allows for the perfect diffusion of light, and the on-off button is low profile to give the perfect finish look. You can quickly recharge your LED wands with the included micro USB cord of this gadget. At full charge, you will enjoy 2 to 3 hours of playtime with this gadget. The Hypno Levitation Wand is exceptionally durable and is stress-tested and perfected. You'll feel at ease when doing tricks like bouncing, spinning, and many more with this hypnosis gadget having Govee LED lights. Because of the polycarbonate tubing, this kinetic gadget is a unique combination of toughness and stability. Whether you're a pro or have never even picked up wands, the Hypno Levitation wands are the best choice for you. Number 2. Relaxing Magnetic Balls. Next up is Relaxing Magnetic Balls. The perfectly crafted miniature specs magnets will help calm your nerves anywhere and anytime. Have you ever wondered how you can increase your imagination? Well, no more worrying. These creative and hot puzzle toys are designed for enhancing assembly ability. Learning through playing these relaxing magnetic balls will help us understand counting and flatter geometric modeling constrictions. Endless combinations of skills and artmanship are required when building means patience and creativeness is required at maximum best. Made from rare earth magnets, relaxing magnetic balls are the most fun stress relief desk toy around. Keep a set on your desk to be the envy of coworkers, and carry them in your bag to break that pesky nail-biting habit. The relaxing magnetic balls meet all toy and safety standards and are safe for proper use by anyone over 14. Due to their small size and low flux rating, these mini magnets mash around and are oddly satisfying to touch, especially for kids. Need a moment of zen? Build hundreds of super cool geometric shapes with these balls. The relaxing balls are your go-to resource for step-by-step instructions on building with magnetic balls from the cube to the buckyball. If you're the type who loves to play creatively, relaxing magnetic balls will play more than a service to quench your playing thirst. Go ahead and make your order now. Number 3. Vortex Dome. Our third gadget is a Vortex Dome, a beautiful work of physics designed for your desk. The vortex is created by movements of the rheoscopic fluid inside the dome. There is a ball bearing underneath, which allows the fidget toy to spin very smoothly. Like the name, this fidget spinner shapes a spherical cap filled with mica-laden water mounted on a low-friction bearing. The faces of the dome have a higher tangential velocity further away from the central vertical axis. This first spins up the fluid at the periphery. The momentum of that peripheral flow then penetrates towards the core of the dome. The fun starts when the flow direction of this fidget spinner is reversed. This creates massive shear that generates complex vortex behavior. Inside this cool gadget, the fluid itself is not magnetic, but a few magnetic needles inside the dome can be manipulated with the magnet provided. If the glass is murky, the easiest way to find this is to spin the glass dome. All kidding aside, this fidget toy is a handy thing to have around if you need something to focus your mind or soothe your nerves at your desk or elsewhere. It's a cool gadget that can be used as a toy for kids or even a fascinating piece of art for adults. But you better be careful because it leads to hypnosis. This is what you get when you combine physics and creativity, an illusion that will not only leave you stunned, but entertained as well. Number 4. Wind-Powered Spinning Top. Next up is the Wind-Powered Spinning Top, a top gadget for kids and adults used to relieve stress and anxiety. The wind-powered spinning top is the hottest toy in the world right now, prevalent in every corner. Forget about the cheaply made stress relief fidget toys which fail to spin for more than a few seconds. This fidget toy spins longer and smoother for magnificent results. People breathe 30,000 times a day, each time inhaling 50 milliliters of air. The body naturally leans forward to compress the lungs, causing shallow breathing. This will cause many adverse symptoms: irritability, obesity, shortness of breath, poor memory, easy fatigue, decreased lung function, and weak resistance. In addition to being a tiny toy, the wind-powered spinning top blows 5 to 10 minutes a day, which helps keep your lungs in deep breathing space. You need to put the gadget on your base or another flat surface. Blowing from directly above it, the spinning top will start to rotate. Not only designed for kids, but it's also perfect for adults to use to relieve stress. You can carry this cool gadget to any place since the top features a compact, lightweight, ergonomic design that facilitates effortless handling, making it ideal for kids and adults. It's not every day that you will find a toy that can as well save lives, but that's precisely what you get with a wind-powered spinning top. Number 5. Eulers Disc. Our fifth preview lands on Eulers Disc, a scientific tool with a hypnotic light display and sounds. Yeah, sure, spinning a coin is all well and good as far as boredom activities go, but its novelty doesn't last that long. Have you ever tried spinning Eulers Disc though? If not, you've got to give it a try. Initially developed by Joseph Bendick and colleagues and named after 18th century Swiss mathematician and physicist Leonhard Euler, Eulers Disc is a 3-inch diameter chrome-plated steel puck that comes with a 9-inch concave mirror base to spin on. This kinetic gadget's physics is a little complicated, but this combo creates a disc that can spin for a long time in layman's terms. The slow buildup of friction is the only reason it stops spinning at all. The way Eulers Disc levitates before it comes to rest is cool, not to mention the steady increase of rapid-fire vibration noises that, by the end, make it sound like a spaceship taking off. On top of that, the set includes 9 pieces of magnetic holographic foil so you can change up the colorful light display the spinner creates as it spins. This gadget is no doubt one of the coolest kinetic gadgets that will fill your skin with goosebumps. Whether you're into the science or visuals of it, or just want to annoy your office buddies, this is a fantastic little desk toy. Number 6. Metal Flip-Over Top. Tippy Top. Next up, we land on a metal flip-over-the-top, better known as Tippy Top. A portable mini spinning top you can put in your pocket or backpack and play with it anytime. These highly polished solid metal flip-over tops have a chrome-like finish and are excellently machined. All you have to do is spin it as usual and watch the top suddenly flip over and then continue to turn upside down. Metal flip-over tops, often known as tippy tops, were initially invented in 1950 by the Danish engineer Werner Ostberg. His inspiration came from a visit to South Africa, where he had seen local kids playing with small round fruit. When they turned it by the stalk like an old-fashioned spinning top, it would spin for a second and then invert and spin on the stalk. At first glance, the top's inversion may mistakenly seem to be a situation where the gadget spontaneously gains overall energy. This is because the top's inversion raises the object's center of mass, which means the potential energy is increased. The inversion is a torque due to friction, decreasing the top's kinetic energy, so the total energy does not increase. Once the flip top is spinning on its stem, it does not spin in the opposite direction to which its spin was initiated. This constant spin direction of the flip top is due to the conservation of angular momentum. Metal flip-over tops remain one of the best kinetic gadgets in the market today. The physics behind it is as fulfilling as the game itself. Grab yours today. Number 7. Mechaforce EDC Gyroscope. Next, our review lands on Mechaforce EDC Gyroscope, a unique and elevated take on fidget toys. Mechaforce EDC lets you experience accurate 3D gyroscopic physics. The gadget is compact enough to take with you anywhere. The spinner's elegant movement helps the viewer understand gimbal lock, angular momentum, and inertia, while simultaneously helping relieve stress and improve focus as you move about your day. We know that when our floating attention is dedicated to a mindless task, the rest of our attention can focus on meetings, training sessions, or phone calls. Good fidget toys are quiet, look good to the eye, and feel good in the hands. Mechaforce EDC Gyroscope provides both. This premium fidget toy plaything made from machined stainless steel features spinners that operate on multiple axes. A smooth spinning ceramic bearing rotates its center, while 4 micro bearings enable the horizontal and vertical spinners. This is a cool gadget that won't make you break the bank. The spinner spins nicely, and the steel feels smooth, making it an excellent fidget for kids or even adults. At about $80, you should be able to own this fantastic handheld kinetic gadget. If you need anything to distract you from stress and the hustle and bustle of everyday life, think of nothing else but Mechaforce EDC Gyroscope, a handheld therapy better than most. Number 8. Hot Air Stirling Engine Motor. We have Hot Air Stirling Engine Motor, a fascinating and imaginative kinetic toy in the 8th position. The Stirling engine mode uses the heat by alcohol lamp to generate electric current. This current will light the LED to emit different colors. It inspires your curiosity and creativity. This cool gadget is also a wonderful gift for your friends, kids, and students. This toy is proven to be a conversation starter to impress your visitors. The fidget toy is also a cool piece of art, even if it just stands on your desk. The design of this kinetic gadget is reasonable and compact. You can bring it to work and return it home conveniently. The Stirling engine is equipped with a colorful LED. Because of the heat from high-grade alcohol, the gadget will run madly and create electricity. The power will go through the wire and drive the LED light to emit different colors. That's why we think it's a fascinating and imaginative toy. It's funny to see people's looks and reactions when they squeeze a little shot for this Stirling engine. Light the alcohol burner, let it warm the glass cylinder for 20 seconds, and then give the wheel a gentle push. The toy will run like a charm. This gadget is truly multifunctional. It's a decorative, imaginative, and impressive toy. A hard combo to get, especially in the toys market. Number 9. Cube Spinner. Up next is the Cube Spinner, an anti-anxiety toy that helps brighten up your dull days while offering you something to tease your mind. If you've been searching for a cool gadget to help you brainstorm and increase performance, your search ends here. We have a solution for you. The Cube Spinner will bring out that creative genius lying deep within you by increasing your concentration anytime on the go, whether you're at home, at school, or the workplace. The 3-in-1 hybrid Cube Spinner helps you find new perspectives as you put your brain to use, whether studying, brainstorming, or researching. This hybrid fidget spinner is made of professional CNC metallic bearings material. The gadget has longer service life since it can withstand drops and impacts, and its perfect size makes it suitable for use by both kids and adults. This spinner can spin in 4 different shapes. It can assemble into an Inception-like spinning top, it can spin while being held in your finger to show a double Z sign, or in both corners of the cube can be detached to spin on its own. This toy will be a great help for your kids to develop their focus, and at the same time bond through a simple, discreet, and fun game. Not only will the kids enjoy it, but you will also find yourself immersed in this tension-relieving game with the use of Cube Spinner. Number 10. UFO Tops. Finally, we give an eye to UFO Tops, pocket-sized metal spinning tops that feature a rubber spin grip and ceramic ball tip for enhanced spin times. UFO Tops are fun for kids and adults alike. Each of the 3 models is inspired by historical events: Roswell, New Mexico, Cusack, France, and England. They come in either aluminum or stainless steel, beautifully made by hands and finished with bright colors. The UFO Top is a large and slightly challenging top to master. Come to think of it, when was the last time you played with tops? Watching these tops spin is mesmerizing, and adults and kids alike are entranced when testing these tops out of the shop. For those made using aluminum, in addition to cosmic silver, other tops come in desert orange, sulfur blue, and siren red. For the stainless steel, each series also comes in heat-treated stainless steel. Stainless steel is much heavier and has much longer spinning times. Each UFO top features a precision 5mm ball handle, silicone spin grip, 38mm wide body, and super smooth and hard ceramic ball tip. UFO tops can spin upright or upside down. Each UFO top is different in weight, shape, center of gravity, and thus spin times. Apart from their inspiring historical background, UFO tops are some of the most popular toys today. Simple as it is, the excitement it offers is second to none. Number 11. Controlled Mini Drone. Lastly, we sum up our review today by looking at controlled mini drones, hand-operated drone kids and adults. These self-flying hand-controlled drones feature infrared sensors to avoid obstacles. Each mini drone is designed with a kid-friendly web shelled to protect hands and walls. You can launch this drone indoors with a gentle toss in the air. No remote control is needed to experience the thrill of it. Flashing LED lights shine as you navigate these mini drones for kids in any room. With these cool gadgets, you won't have to worry about your kids spending countless hours on the phone or in front of a computer. The drones come with a USB recharging cable and can fly for 8 minutes with every 50 minutes charge. This cool self-flying sensor drone offers the best on-air thrill for both kids and adults. Whether it's at a friend's house or home, this portable drone is a delight to fly. The mini flying drone changes direction based on your hand's movements on the side or under the drone. You will experience a high-tech 360-degree high-tech obstacle avoidance sensor in action, detecting obstacles and navigating any indoor space. No better gadget to finish us off than this amazing mini drone. It makes fun and technology appear as bosom buddies, and we all love the end product. Thank you for watching our video on focus promoting and relaxing cool gadgets that will help with your concentration. Technology advancement has enabled old devices to be modernized, and other new ones have been developed. And now you don't have to go to the beach to relax. You can do it within the confines of your home. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing content. Like and share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our latest uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Check out our next video.